Okay, next. The weekly revenue of a certain recently released film is given by R of t is equal to 50t over t squared plus 36, where t is greater than or equal to 0, where R is in millions of dollars and t is in weeks. For how many weeks will weekly revenue increase? So ilang weeks daw magi-increase yung weekly revenue. Okay. So although it's not stated in the problem, pero in order for us to identify this, we will make use of calculus to do it, no? Because pag sinabi mo na kung gusto mo i-define to nag-i-increase ba or nagdi-decrease yung function, kailangan kasi tignan mo yung slope niya. Okay? So, di ba ang function, kunwari ganito yon. So, kunwari ganito yung function mo. Ayan, ganyan. So, as you can see dito, increasing yung function natin. Pero dito, ang function natin decreasing. No? So, according to the slope. So, dito kasi ang slope natin is positive. Dito naman ang slope natin is negative. Okay? So, dun mo malalaman no, kung saan siya mag-i-increase or mag-decrease. Tapos, isa pa, dito, kailangan, meron kasi dito ang point na kung saan yung slope natin is 0. Okay? So, yung point na yan, yung tinatawag natin na critical point. Or yan yung maximum or minimum natin na point dun sa curve, no? So, ganun. So, ibig sabihin, dito, malalaman natin kung saan yung banda yung nag-i-increase or nag-decrease by first identifying nasaan ba yung critical point. And then i-test, kasi parang yun yung maghahati eh. Yun yung magpapahati ng mag-i-increase na side or decreasing na side potentially. Okay? So, paano ba hanapin yung critical point? So, i-set mo lang na yung slope ay 0. So, di ba, ang slope, okay, so sa calculus, that is the derivative of the function. In this case, that is the derivative of r with respect to t. Kasi yung function natin is r as a function of t. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung derivative. So, derivative of r with respect to t. So, we can apply here quotient rule. So, t squared plus 36 times derivative ng 50t is 50 minus 50t times derivative naman ng t squared plus 36. So, 2t. Okay, over t squared plus 36 squared. So, remember quotient rule, no? Ayan. Okay? Tapos, para mahanap natin yung critical point, equate natin ito sa 0 kasi ang goal natin is, ang definition ng critical point is yun yung point kung saan 0 yung slope. Okay? And then, solve natin yung t. So, kapag kin-cross multiply mo to, 0 na to. Wala na yan. Ito na lang maiiwan sa ibabaw. So, pag sinimplify natin sa ibabaw, magiging 50t squared plus 36 times 50, or kahit wag mo munang i-computein, pero computein ko na, no? That's 1,800 minus 100 t squared over, okay? And then this will simplify to, so bali ito yung ano natin, ano? Derivative, no? Pero this simplifies to negative 50t squared plus 1,800 equals to 0. So, again, kaya mawawala ito kasi pag kin-cross multiply mo to doon, 0 na siya. So, over 1 na lang to. So, ito na siya. So, from here, we can solve for t. So, transpose yung 1/8, tapos divide ng 50, tapos square root. So, dalawa dapat yan, positive and negative 6. Pero dahil sabi niya dito, yung t natin ay ano lang, greater than 0. So, therefore, we will only accept positive 6 sa inyong critical point, no? So, ngayon, at the critical point, iti-test natin ngayon kung yung nasa left or right ba ng t ay increasing or decreasing. Okay, so paano yon? So, from the derivative, yung slope, So, ang derivative kasi natin is kapag sinimplify ito na siya. Ayan, yan. So, yun yung derivative natin. So, i-test lang natin. So, mag-iisip lang tayo ng number na mas mababa sa 6. Okay, so isip lang tayo ng number na mas mababa sa 6. Halimbawa, mas mababa sa 6 ay 5. So, anong lumabas? So, nang lumabas ng slope, positive, no? So, actually, lahat ng mas mababa sa 6, positive yan. So, ang kailangan lang natin makita is yung sign. So, ang slope dito, positive. Okay, sa kanan, tingnan natin. Baka kasi, minsan kasi nagpa-positive parehas eh. So, we have, so, mas malaki sa 6, so 7. So, ang nangyari naman dito is negative. No? So, actually, lahat ng mas malaki sa 6 ay negative na. Okay? So, negative na. So, ibig sabihin, sure tayo na yung slope before 6 or after 6 is negative 6. So, this means that on this side, before tayo makarating ng 6 weeks, increasing yung revenue. After niyan, decreasing na. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, gaano tayo katagal na increasing? So, from time is equal to 0 hanggang dito, that will be 6 weeks. So, that's why our answer here would be 6. And that's how we solve this problem.